The instinct to cross in search of new grazing remains strong. Eventually, one of the females braves the water's edge. More of the gazelles pluck up courage. The gazelles are growing in confidence. So are their hunters.
A female has deposited her eggs in a crevice beneath the reef. This is her final act. In the next few weeks, all of the adult male and female cuttlefish will die. Giant cuttlefish live only 2 years, but these have left their legacy. In about 4 months, these eggs will hatch, and a new generation of giants will inherit this undersea garden. Swarms of mysid shrimp roll over the reef like a mountain fog. These tiny shrimp become food.
This male may have secured pole position, but the female won't release her eggs for him to fertilize until conditions are just right. Now the sharks begin to close in, sensing that the critical moment is approaching. The tide is beginning to turn. This could be the moment to spawn. Suddenly, the females rush up towards the surface, releasing their clouds of eggs as they go. The males pursue them, simultaneously releasing their sperm. It's an act the groupers seem prepared to die for. It's now or never. The fertilized eggs will now be swept away from the many hungry mouths of the reef dwellers. Most of the billions of eggs that cloud the sea will be eaten. But a few, a tiny but crucial minority, will find another reef and make it their home.